In this video, I will show how to fix the site can't provide a secure connection. Try running Windows Network Diagnostic Windows 11 or Windows 10. Open your Chrome browser, then these three dots, Settings. Here click on Privacy and Security. Now here click on Security. Now here select No Protection and make sure Safe Browsing protect you against attack, and make sure guys it's not recommended. Now here select Open DNS. Now close and try to open website. So this is the way guys you can fix the site can't provide a secure connection. Try running Windows Network Diagnostic. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.